Good morning, students. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to do 2021 May June paper for ICT, Information Communication Technology, EDXCEL paper, and the component 2. And in this task, in this video, I'm going to solve the databases task. Okay, so let us start with the databases task. All right. So the logo which we already created, now our task will be start from here, which is task A2. All right. So now Sam has collected the information about the guest and the ski holidays accommodation. He has saved the information in the databases called holidays. Okay. So the databases has three tables. So the databases is designed already. It is there in our support file folder called holiday, and which is the combination of three tables. One is hotel and another one is guest and the last one is the booking. All right, so now the structure of the hotel table is already given to us, and then the structure of guest is also given to us, and the structure of booking is also clearly given. Okay, open a new word document processing. Okay, word document processing, set the orientation page to the landscape, enter task A2 with your name, center number, candidate number in header. Okay, all right. To do this, I'm going to type Word, W-O-R-D, Word, Microsoft Word. All right. So now I open the Microsoft Word. Okay. Now, next it is a new blank document. All right. So this is done. Yeah. Okay. Go to layout and it should be orientation is landscape. All right. Okay, so this is done and insert in header. They ask us to write as a, okay, now I'm going to put a header, which is it a right align or left align we need to put? Enter the task to name, center number, candidate number. So they did not mention anything. So I'm going to use the left align only. task A2. Okay, A2 underscore name ABC, center number IN123, candidate number is 1234. All right, so this is done. Okay, now let's go to our main task, which is our databases access. Okay, now Sam want to use a form to add the extra hotel to the hotel table. Okay, so now here the first task they clearly gave us to create a form. Open the databases holiday, okay, and open the hotel table. To do this, we will go to our support file folder, and let me go to the, all right, so holiday, the databases table. Yeah, so now we open it. Next, now let me open the table called hotel. All right, so now this is the hotel table which we got it. Now next, create a form for the hotel table. Okay, student, I hope you remember in my previous video also I told you, just right click save and right click close and just go to create. Okay, we will go in order step by step. Okay, and I'm trying to make it so easy for you to understand this particular task in EDXCEL ICT. Okay, so now create form wizard. Okay, form wizard for which table? We need to select the hotel table and put all the values that side. Next. Okay, is it a tabular or columnar? Let me see the question paper. Create a form for the hotel table. Okay, so now they did not mention which type of form it is. So we will keep it as a default columnar. Next. Okay, modify. Do we have any name to this form? Okay, so the form should be, save it as a hotel form. Okay, so now hotel form. So now I'm going to name it as a hotel underscore form and finish. So here we go. Now we got our hotel form here. Next, what are the changes we need to do? Let us see in detail. The form must match the house style. All right. So it should be in a proper documented, like, as per the given, the form design. So it is already there. Next, what we need to do? Okay, include the logo which you created in the task A1. Okay, to insert the logo, let me insert the logo here. Insert, browse. Okay, and then I will go to my support file folder. So where is our support file? Here we go. EDXCEL 2021 paper we are doing. So this is the logo which we created and designed. So now let me put the logo here. All right. So now next, what I need to do? Okay. Include the logo created, done. Include the suitable title. Okay. So title for what? It is a hotel. Okay. So right, fine. So now include a suitable title. What we can do here. So let me check what's the best title we can put. Okay. So now let me put as a hotel form. Okay. Hotel underscore form. Anything else can I add here? So customize. Let me see the in the question you will get an idea what the title you can put. Extra hotel. Okay, so now hotel form. Okay, uh, resave the task. Yeah. Okay, so now hotel form underscore. I'm putting as a new. Okay, this is the title. I put it as a because I'm going to add the new hotel to into it. So I put it as a new. All right. So now done. So what is the next? Suitable title is done. Be customized so that the width of the hotel ID should be 2 centimeter and hotel name field should be 6 centimeter. Okay, let me customize it. Hotel ID is here. So let me and go to form properties and you will be able to find the width. Where is it? Just it will take some little time here. It is width is 2 centimeter. Enter. Okay, so now done. Width we change to 2 centimeter. Now hotel name should be 6 centimeter. The width should be 6 centimeter and enter. Right. So now this is 2 centimeter and this is 6 centimeter done. Now next what we need to do here. Okay. Next is save the hotel form. So make sure your width is perfectly fine. Here it is clearly make one more time. You have to make sure this is 6 centimeter because we are going to take the screenshot of this and this you need to select and width should be go here and make it as a 2 centimeter enter. So right, perfectly fine. So now bring the property sheet here. Do we need to take any screenshot here? Take a screenshot showing the design view, showing the changes of the width. As I told you, yeah, immediately you have to take the screenshot of it. So it is better to select any one of it and go to form. So now form properties. So here it can be easily visible that width of this particular would be the 2 centimeter. All right. So now take a screenshot, Windows plus print screen and take the screenshot and then paste it here. Control V. Done. Close this. Okay. Anything else I do need to, yeah. Do we need here to do it? Right click property sheet. Here also it is 6 centimeter clearly seen. If you want to take one more printout, how many print screenshot they are asking here? Take a screenshot of your form design view, changes of the field width. Okay, done. So one is enough. Paste the screenshot into a documentation of A2. Done. Okay, resave the task 2. So let me, one is enough. So you have to close it and file and click on save. All right, and right click form and save and close. We are done with the first task. Now let's go to the next. Do not print. We don't have to print at this stage. Next, task 2. Another hotel must be added to the list of hotel offered. Okay, use the hotel form which you created in A2 and add the detail of this hotel table. Okay, all right. Student, here I'm going to show you a very good shortcut method. Just click on the form and check how many forms. In the bottom, you can able to see the total number of forms. So here it is 1 to 20. Okay, so total hotels are 20. So now next will be the new hotel I'm going to add means it is 21 and just press enter. So you will get an empty like the columns which where you need to fill the details. Okay, now let me fill the details. Hotel ID is H201. Just simply copy and paste. Next, hotel name. What is the hotel name? So now I'm going to paste it here. It is Kelstricher Berg. Okay, so now the hotel name, Control V. Now next we have, what is it? The next hotel name is, resort name is Innsbruck. Okay, Control C, and I'm going to paste it here, Innsbruck, Control V. Next, is it in or out? Which means, do we need here key passes is yes. Okay, so it should be tick. Okay, and then next is, it is medium. Control C, and I'm going to paste it here. Control. Here also you have lot of option. You can select it as a medium. Done. So now do we need to take a screenshot here too? Take a screenshot of a complete form. Okay. Completed form which we done just now. Paste in your evidence file. Okay. So now I will go here and control Windows plus print screen. Okay. And select this, and I'm going to paste it in my evidence file. All right. So now this is our second screenshot, which is done. Next, I'm just resizing it. Next, let me go to the question paper again. Now, what the next I have to do? Let's see it. Okay, so now we are going down. Okay, so now here. Task A to C. Sam want a list of hotels that are okay this and booked for Obregals, and list of books are 14 nights include are the ski passes. But student, please point to be remember here, as I told you, you need to design the query first. To design the query first, where you need to start from? You need to start from show only these fields. Okay, this is the important step. You need to start from here and then go ahead with the beginning of the question. Now, show only the fields. So let's create a query for two using two table. One is hotel, another is booking. So let me just little go down and let me check what are the fields they want. First is hotel ID, price range, and hotel name. Okay, so I will go to my databases, right click save, previous form, right click close, and let me go to create. Okay, so now what I'm going to create here, query wizard, simple query. Okay, from booking, I need hotel ID. Next, what is next? I need here hotel ID, then price range. Okay, so do we have price range here? No. So let me go to the hotel and let me check price range is here. Yeah, it is here. Next, and then what is the third one is the hotel name. So now do we have hotel name here? Yeah, hotel name is here. And next, modify the query. Do we, what is the name of the query here? It is Obergurk 14 vibe is the name of the query. Okay, so now control V and then finish. So wonderful. So now student, you can see here we use both the table hotel and the booking to create this query. All right, so now let's go to the next question. Next. So now, where is it? Yeah. So this is done. Now let us start from the beginning. Sam want the list of hotel that is, okay. First is are in, okay. So they should be in this, okay. This particular, are should be in Obergulk. Okay. So now to do it, let me run the query first. Yep. So now hotel name is there, hotel ID is there, price range is there, hotel name is there. But here you need to understand student, okay? Right click design view. Okay, we need a destination also, right? Isn't it? If you see in the hotel table, you can see the resorts are in here. Okay, so resorts also we need. This is how they will, do a trick with you in exam. Okay, so you need to be careful. Click on design view, and here I would like you to add the, what was the name of the field? Field is resort. Okay, so now I will go to query in my, here I'm going to add one more column which is resort. Next, let me go to the next question. Or book for 14 nights. Okay, or book for 14 nights. Again, I will go on hotel and check number of in booking. Okay, where is the number of booking? Duration of stay is the number of booking. Okay, to do this, again, we will go to right click query and design view. We need one more new column, and the column name is duration of stay. Okay, this is the second column I added. Now third, do I need to anything add here? include ski passes. Okay, include ski passes. So let me check hotel table. Do we have ski passes here? Yeah, it is here. So now I'm going to add one more field, which is ski passes. Okay, let me check the, yeah, its name is only ski passes. Okay, so right click, go to design view, and here I'm going to add the ski passes. Yeah, okay, so now ski passes. Now let us apply all the criteria step by step. Hotel are in Oburg. Okay, so now let me, okay, type this in criteria. First let me copy this, okay, and type in your criteria. First criteria, I'm going to put resorts are in Oburg, okay, and run. So here you can see all the resorts which are in the city over Gurk. Okay, now next, right click, design view. Student, please understand I'm doing step by step so that it would be very easy for you to understand. Point number one. Point number two is like, sometimes you guys will do mistake. You will apply all the criterias once at a time and you don't know which criteria you type it wrong. Okay, so that you wouldn't be able to generate the query output. Okay, so it is better to apply the criteria step by step to find out if where you are going wrong. Okay, all right. So now next, what is it? It is 14 nights. Okay, book for 14 nights. So equal to 14. So duration is equal to 14, 1, 4. Okay, and let me run it. So only two people. Okay, one is Alpen, another is Herrenhaus. Okay, these two hotel, which is the duration for total 14, 14 and 14 days. Okay, next. Okay, right click, design view. Last but not the least is include a ski pass. Include means yes. Okay. Ski pass is, I'm going to type it as a yes. It is a Boolean value. Okay. Student, those who are new to my videos, so like, you need to understand. Okay. Yes or no, always we put it as a Boolean value, true and false, and yes or no will be Boolean value. Okay. So if it is a checkbox or tick box, okay, and true and false, you can use it as a yes or no. All right, so this is done. Now I put it yes as a criteria and run. So I got total how many hotels? Total two IDs. Okay, total two customers, those who stay for 14 days. So this is done. Now anything else I need to do here? Take a screenshot of your query design and paste the screenshot in your evidence file. Okay, so now right click, design view. Now I'm going to take the screenshot. Windows plus print screen, and here we go. This is the screenshot. Along with the criteria, I would like you to paste it. Okay, next, Control V. This is your criteria. Done. Now let us do what next. What next? Okay, resave your task. Now I'm going to file and save. Done. Now next, what I need to do, the list must show this is done. Okay, now the last is the descending order of the hotel ID. So now let me go to criteria. Where is my hotel ID here, student? Hotel ID should be, make it as a descending. That's it. And then save. Okay, done. Next. So it is better to take one more screenshot and paste it here because we include the descending order also. Now this is our complete query. Okay, so control V. Okay, this is done. So with all the criterias we put it, and I'm just deleting the previous one because in the previous screenshot we missed the descending one. Okay, descending order. So we added here and we're done. Now let me go to the next question. So this is done. Okay, task A to D. A to D. Okay, open the guest table. Sam want a list of guests who were born in 1990. Okay, who born in 1990. Okay, so include a guest who born in 1990. Show only the field. So here also we need to create a what? A query. Okay, a query for the people those who born in 1990. Okay, the guest, especially those who are there in the hotel who born in 1990. So let's go to this is only for the guest table. Create a query for the guest table only. Yeah. So we don't have to do anything. Right click save, right click close all. Okay, this is done. Create. query wizard. Now I'm going to simple query, and the query I'm going to design from the guest table only. Select the guest table, and as I told you, student, from where you need to start, show only the fields. First, we need an email ID, first name, and date of birth. Okay, so email ID, first name, and date of birth. So where is email ID? Email ID, first name, and date of birth. Done. Okay, so now next, what we need to do? Okay, so now let me next modify, and what is the name of our query here? The query name is the customers, those who born in 1990 query. Okay, so now 1990 query, and then finish. Done. Okay, now date of birth, those who born in 1990. So I'm just writing 1990. First criteria I'm checking with 1990 whether it will function or not. Let me check it. If it is not working, right click, go to design view. Let me apply the second criteria, not for this query. Okay, right click, go to design view. Now if 1990 is not working, let me put star 1990 star. Okay, let us check the second criteria and run it. So here we got it. Total people, those who born in 1990 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So total 6 records we got it. Those who born in the customers, those who born in 1990. Done. Okay, student. This is how you need to check with applying multiple criterias to get your answer. Okay, so this is done. Okay, sort the ascending order of the date of birth. Okay, date of birth should be in ascending order. So right click design view. Okay, so now date of birth should be in ascending order, and then run. So here you can see it is in perfectly ascending order. Next, create a query on guest done. This is done. Take a screenshot of your query design and paste in your evidence file. All right, so now let me take one more. Right click design view and take a screenshot. So here we go. Perfect. So now I'm going to save it here. Control V. Done. What next now? Okay. So we will go to the next task. Sam wanted to produce a databases report based on 1990 query. Okay. So now here the query which we created here, right click save, and this, let me run it. Okay, with this query Sam wanted to create a report, so let's create it. Okay, create a report. Okay, so now let me create a report. So we will go here, right click, close. First let me close the query, go to create, go to report wizard. Okay, 1990 query, all criterias. Next. Okay, ascending order is already done. Next. Okay, is it a tabular report or a columnar report? Did they mention anything? Create a databases report in the result. Okay, it should be tabular or columnar. No, they did not mention anything here, so we'll keep it as a default tabular. Next, modify. Okay, do we have any title to this report? Let me check here. So yes, here the save the report as a 1990 report. Okay, Control C, and the name of the report will be Control V, and then finish. Done. So this is my report, bingo. So we are done. Finally, we have report with us. Okay, what are the changes? Do we need to do anything modification? Yeah, the databases include the logo using the house style. Okay, house style. Have a suitable title. Okay, title is already given. 1990 reports. Okay, so fine. Have a suitable title. Show only the fields required. Yes, we only show the 3 fields which is required. Show the records sorted as requested. Okay, so it should be in ascending order. So now we need to only include the logo here. Okay, so did they mention logo using the house style? Okay, so now which logo we have to put? Is it the first one or the second one? Let me check here. Okay, we'll go up to check which logo. Okay, TSR logo. Yeah, so and the second one is our mountains kicker logo. So we have to use our first logo, house style logo only. All right. So now let me go here. Go down. Yeah. So now I'm going to use my logo here. So right click, design view, and insert image. Okay, this is the logo, and I'm going to put my logo here. That's it. All right. So done. Now do I need to write my name, center number, candidate number? Yeah. Enter your name, center number, candidate number in the footer, student here. So now let me remove this. Not required. Okay, it is not required the page number and all. So now we are going to label, and I'm going to put it my name ABC, center number IN123, candidate number is 1234. Done. Next, what we need to do, okay, make sure, okay, all the databases display on a one side of A4 size and easy to read. Yeah, let me run it and show you. Perfectly fine. So now you can see here, student, everything like, if you take the printout, it will come in A4 size only. Next, save your report as a 1990. Okay, final thing, file, save. Done. Now next, what I need to do. Okay, now, okay, so now here, some theoretical questions, student. Okay, what we need to do. These are the relationship of holiday databases. Okay, they gave us the databases here. All right, so what they gave us here, so let me check here. Okay, so now these are the given tables. So now answer the following questions in the documentation. Okay, so now here if you can see, hotel ID is a primary key. Okay, identify the type of relationship that would be needed in a hotel and booking table. So hotel ID and hotel ID. So if you see here, okay, and hotel ID is a primary key, right? Isn't it? Primary key to a, now you can see here, hotel ID to hotel ID. Yes, it is a one-to-many relationship. Means PK to secondary key. Okay, SK or foreign key. Okay, which means nothing but no. Okay, so now, so this can be formed one to many relationships. Next. Okay, so now explain one reason why referential integrity should be enforced in the relationship. See, it is important to create a form. Okay, it is, you can write it down here. It is a form of, you can say it is a form of data validation. Okay, to check our data is validate or not. Okay, you can write it down here. And second point, you can write it down like this. Okay, to make sure, okay, just to make sure. Second bullet point you can write down to make sure you are make sure that you are not entering any, and you are like to make sure not to enter END or enter any invalid data. Invalid data. This is how you need to structure your answer, student. State the name of the table that would have its data enter in the last, okay, in the last, which is the last is the booking only be table, okay, and the booking, okay, booking table. Next, explain what they're asking. Explain one reason why like or hashtag would be used for database search, because to get an accurate accuracy, or like you can also mention as because to get the names of the given hotel, or you can write because to get the actual names of the hotel, actual names, okay, or execution, okay, you can also write on the HAUS, right? Perfectly fine. So what is next now? So total marks for this task, you got it as a 24. Okay, thank you, students. So what is the next task? Definitely in my next video, we are going to start with our Excel task. Okay, student, I hope you will like those videos too. Okay, so website authoring we will do. I'm going to put more videos, but I am requesting you to please like my videos and subscribe to my channel, students. Thank you very much for watching.